Next is biological classification. So far we have studied what are living things or what is classification. Next, the first topic is what is the significance of classification? Why do we need to classify organism into different categories? The first one is it makes study of organism easier. Why so? Because it is next to impossible to study all the organisms. So by knowing one organism we can study or we can get to know or have some idea about the similar kind of organisms found in the same group. So classification helps us to study all the life. Like if of one group we know or we study about one organism from one group, we can have an idea what kind of organisms can be found in that particular group. It makes research work easier. It makes research easy. We can also learn about evolutionary or other kind of relationship among different organisms. It helps us to study evolutionary relationship between organisms. It makes the study easier. It makes research work easier. Or the next one is all type of organisms are not found at same place. All types are not found at same place. So by knowing about one or two of its kind, we can study about or we can know about other of its types as well. We can also know about different kind of relationship, not only evolutionary but various other relationship, how different organisms have evolved from each other. So we can study about relationship. It makes research easier. It makes study easier. All type of organisms are not found at one place. So this is all about the significance of classification or why do we need to classify the organisms. The first type of classification was artificial. Though we have discussed about these topics earlier, the first type of classification was artificial classification. Why so? Because it only considered very few morphological characteristics. So first classification was called artificial. Then second came natural system of classification or natural classification. What is natural classification? When more characters were considered to divide organisms into different categories. Not only some morphological characters but other anatomical, physiological, several other characters were considered to divide the organisms into different groups. And then another classification is phylogenetic system of classification. Phylogenetic system of classification. What is phylogenetic system of classification? Wherever philo word comes, it means evolution. So phylogenetic system of classification means study of evolutionary relationship between different organisms. By studying the evolutionary relationship between different organisms, they are divided into different groups. If organisms seem to have evolved from similar organisms, they are placed in one group, and others who evolved from different organisms, they are placed in different groups. So this is the type of classification, and we have studied all about this earlier also. Like in artificial species were considered as static, but in natural species are considered as dynamic. That is means they keep changing, so accordingly system of classification varies.